Larry could do it, I could do it.
You don't have that thing in the back though.
Action Van versus Weldtec.
Let's do it.
Ooh, easy work. I'll do whatever Larry does. Action Van versus Weldtec video. Make the kids at home happy, right?
Yeah.
3-inch spacer lift, Action Van suspension, and Weldtec. So here they are, all next to each other. Pilot, Flying J, parking lot camping. Check this out. I have a neighbor, Sebastian's Life 91.
And look who's here. John drives anything. We gotta be quiet because he's still sleeping. He's a night owl. Gotta be quiet in the morning.
A few moments later.
Good morning from Flying J, Fraser Mountain Road. Slept in my van last night. I got a fan going right here and a space cooler right here. Hi Lola. I'll make you a video about you right now. I'm gonna show you guys my neighbor. That's one of my neighbors right there, Lola. There's my other neighbor right there, Sebastian's Life 91. So this is how you do it when you got YouTube friends. Good morning, man. You knew that he knew the etiquette to not wake me up.
Oh yeah, no, I just played some Call of Duty. Go get some wins.
And what did I tell you? What the etiquette? It's the unofficial rule. What's the unofficial rule?
You don't wake people up or knock on their door.
Yes, sir. Unofficial rule. I think it's kind of like people just kind of know it. What time did you wake up, man?
Like 9:30.
Yeah, see? That's 12. See, he knew the rule. Don't wake me up. But yeah, that's what we do. That's what YouTube friends do. We meet up with cool lifted vans and we sleep at Flying J, Pilot. And the cool thing is, when we get sleepy at night, we just go in our rigs. See, look at this guy's rig right here. Look at that. Got even food for Lola. Lola, you have a good sleep, Lola?
It's gonna be your best video with her in it.
Yep.
Those are the best.
Yo, videos with pets are the best, man. Trust me. I'm glad you have so much footage of her, man. Because that's my favorite videos, the ones with my pets in it.
Me too.
Yeah.
Ooh, I can't wait for some Wendy's. You know, mine is full.
I got something for you, man.
What?
I forgot to give it to you last night. Hold on. There you go. You have one of these yet? It's like
It's like John's like go-to
Yeah,
best
that's-
fan mod you ever do.
Yeah.
Definitely. That's so cool, bro. Thank you.
hopefully
That's awesome.
hopefully the other guys show up.
Yeah, dude. Baconator. That's at least 3 pounds. I think there's more than advertised. I think I'm very happy with it. I feel like
We're having a van meet right now at the Flying J Pilot. Dude, I think we look like a couple of losers. Look at this meet right now.
what the hell?
Yeah. There's just 2 of us. Look at this meet going. Looks like an import car meet. I think this is called collabing. So if you're watching this before June 18, join us on Sunday noon, Saturday today. We're comparing van notes here. RTZ lift, Weldtec lift, 3-inch lift, 5-inch lift. I know people who like watching my channel are all about the lift kits. So you don't need a lifted van to hang out with us. This is Campos Vasquez's rig, Coleman Starflight B+ RV. Very cool. And I've always said this: you could have the biggest rig, but you never have enough storage. We even have a Corolla with us. Jose PhD 27's car right here.
Yep. Ooh, here we go. There is a lifted van. There's another. Oh no, it's not lifted. No, that's stocky.
Check it out. I got a treat for you guys. Look who came out here. I didn't believe it when I saw it. Do you know who this is right here? That's Larry from Action Van Suspension. He saw my videos that we're gonna meet up at Flying J, and he decided to show up and hang out with us. So there it is right there. Action Van Suspension, been lifting vans for 20 years. This is Larry's van from Action Van Suspension. He led the way up Power Line Trail. Larry was the lead guy, and he led us all the way up here. And there's Flying J right there. Crossing.
Schmidt.
Oh, nice. Hey, how's it going?
Good, how are you? I'm Larry.
What's your name?
Larry.
Larry, I'm Brooke. Nice
Hi,
to
Brooke.
meet you.
So you didn't leave me?
Hola, cama. Voy a la cama. Oh.
Like that, man.
Yes. Right here. The Action Van lift kit. That's the one I'm gonna be getting.
Right on. Well, let me give you a card.
That's awesome. I love this. Yeah, dude, definitely.
Wait, are you Larry, the guy who sells Action Van?
No way. No way. Dude, he's like your biggest advocate, dude. He's been telling everybody.
Oh, damn.
That's so, dude, that's awesome.
We got
Thank
Larry.
you. Yeah, dude, that's awesome.
We
Yeah.
got Larry.
That's so, that's just like a surprise, dude.
It was a surprise. I
like
these
it.
guys are doing it. Looks like it. You gotta come look at this, though. This is the best part.
Campos Vasquez. Larry says he could lift your van. What are we airing down to? 20. Is that freaking low? Does he have a compressor? He has a good gear, right? My compressor's slow. The ride is a lot nicer.
Yeah.
I'm just lazy to air down, like I said, but damn, the ride is a lot nicer.
What did he say, that you have to get a good air compressor to sign?
Oh yeah, mine sucks.
Sebastian? Yeah, he was saying that he
That's why he's lazy too.
Yeah, no.
I have 2 of them at least.
Yeah, because I heard him telling Sebastian, I'll show you which one I have so you know to get a good one. So you need to have a good.
No, I have 2. It'll take me about an hour to fill up,
Yeah.
running 2 at the same time. Better.
That's doing way better, dude.
Yeah. Yo man, the $60 one's not doing as good as the $30 one. Good job, $30.
Good job, $30 one.
This trail right here. This one right here.
Yeah. Nice. See, look at that lift on that van. It's John's. And this is Larry's van with his extra lift. And then Sebastian's van. Work his office on wheels. Here's it. But he don't got a lift yet, so we gotta peer pressure him into buying a lift. There's Larry's van right there from Action Van Suspension. Is my van on a Weldtec. And then here's the Action van. He has the pivoting radius arm right there. That's what I recommend to my subscribers going with Action Van Suspension. Get the 2010 and newer radius arm so you have that pivot. The Weldtec is cool, but I don't like how the radius arm is just a bushing instead of a pivot.
Up here, 3 bolts, but the pivot's right in the middle. It's not all the way out here.
Okay.
Your the one way up there where it has a double donut, it pivots in front of the bracket. This pivots in the middle of it. Our tube radius arms pivot to the back side of it.
Okay.
We're
Oh, and if you guys have significant others, bring your girlfriend to X-Van. We got Brooke with us, right, Brooke?
Yep, I'm here.
She's here. With some
It's open to anybody.
open to everyone. Jill Morgan, are you watching, Jill Morgan? Bring your dog. Lift your van. I know you want to lift your van, Jill Morgan. You know what the cool thing about a van is? Brooke could just hang on to a van if she gets tired of us talking about vans too much.
It's true.
Yeah. See, so if you have a significant other and they get sick of everyone talking about vans too much, you got a van, you got a house with you. So the first 2 days of the October van meet, we'll have internet reception, so you'll be all right. Everyone's cool.
Yeah, everyone's cool.
Love it. Oh, that's a good one. You guys get to hear some V10 right now. That's pretty impressive. Oh man. Oh, he ripped up that.
Yeah, I know.
Here we go, watch this. V10. Easy money.
Oh my gosh.
There's my microwave.
I know. Did you break something with that?
Nah, I bounce it around all the time. This is probably why he's probably making
he's
videos.
backing up.
Oh, okay.
He went the wrong way. He didn't know he was gonna fall off. I wonder why he didn't want to take it. Oh no,
he's gonna momentum the thing?
Yeah. He needs
Gonna rip up of it. Oh.
Yeah.
Nah, he made easy work of that.
Oh yeah.
All right.
The best. Who had a good time today? Bro, amazing.